video will introduce you to Google Trends, which is your stop not only for hot and sizzling but trending topics for your next video. Hello guys and welcome to Traffic Creation. Are you losing your subscribers and view count due to lack of trending topics on your channel? Then my friend, you have come to the right place. A lot of new YouTubers start their channel initially with great ideas, but slowly they lose on the content and have nothing to add to their channel, which eventually decreases their interest in growing their YouTube channel. Google Trend is a website by Google that analyzes the popularity of top searching queries in Google search throughout the world and in different languages. Google Trend has been helping a lot of YouTube creators in finding the right trending topics for any category, which can even be classified for a specific country or even a region. You can also compare the data within a certain range of time and with other data. Let me get to a quick demo for you to make things more clear. So just type in Google trends.google.com and you'll land up on this page. Here we have got to enter a term or a topic and it starts searching for you. There's also an option to change it to the country wise and you can explore it accordingly. Then there are some examples given here how you can categorize your search. So you can search it by sub-region here and for the past 7 days, and that too in United States. So there you can see the graph as shown for these two searches that has been done. Then you can also search it by region for the worldwide search here, then sub-region from 2004 to present search here for the United States, and here you can see all the category that they are searching for. You can also compare between the two categories that you want to search, or you can search it single-handedly and compare it all over the globe. Then there are some other types of category also for you to search. Then coming on to the next section, here you can get the latest stories and insight. So anything that is going on in the latest search here is being featured to you, and as you can see the coronavirus search trends is right here all over the globe. The next very fast and trending topic is going on is the protest for racial equality and justice, and we all know still the protest is going on with the hashtag of Black Lives Matters. Next is LGBTQ plus Pride Month, and we all know that this will be celebrated in America throughout the June. Furthermore, we can see that there are the recently trending topics here, and there you can see how you can get your trending topics easily from these search from Google Trends. The next is the search that has been done yearly wise. So as you can see, this is all going on in the United States. As you can see, you can change your country accordingly, and you can opt for any country that you want to go in for. It will provide you with all the trending topics for that particular country. So coming back to some more of features here, so we have explore. I've already told you about these examples here and how you can search them. So let me tell you more clearly here. So let's take an example of digital marketing. So as and when I have put up here digital marketing, it gives me a data from June 23rd, 2019 to May 24th, 2020. So this is a great way of knowing how this topic is been going on throughout the year. So as you can see, this is a very short-term data for almost around 1 year. So you can also get it for a required time range here. So let me select it for the past 5 years and let me see how the trend is going on for digital marketing. So there you can see on June 28th to July 4th, 2015, the digital marketing was searched 22 times. But as and when from there it has increased and it is continuously increasing, and there you can see today 97 people have searched. Seeing this graph, we can easily make out how this was performing before and how it is performing now. So we can easily make out if we are going to go with the digital marketing topic. So you can also search it the digital marketing topic particularly for a specific country here, and further for the specific time range that I have already told you, and all categories. So there are some categories that has been provided by Google Trends here. So accordingly you can change, and whatever the content you want to gain for it, then you can select for it. Then finally coming on to the web search, and there are some more image search, news search, Google shopping and YouTube search. Since we are YouTube creators, we will be more interested in YouTube search here. But if your channel is something about that you want to gain in for something other than that, you can select them too. So I'll be going for YouTube search here, and there you can see how the graph is going. The graph went up, but then it went on a steep slope here and down, but then it has continuously increased. And as you can see today, the digital marketing has been searched and is a very good trending topic. So it will be a very good idea to make a video something on digital marketing here. Then further coming on down, here you can see the interest by region. So as you can hover your cursor on any of the land here, there you can see how many times it was searched or what is the interest of that region. So the Google Trends also provides you with some of the data here, and you can also download it, or you can divide them further by the region or whatever the city. So that is how you can also gain some more access to the content related to digital marketing. Related topics that has been given by Google Trends to you and related queries. So digital marketing has been searched with these terms also. So going on with the digital marketing career, so let's see how this is going on. So as you can see the graph for digital marketing career here, it is really going up and down, but yes, as you can see, currently it is on a very good level here. So yes, this is also a good searching topic, or a very good topic for making a video here. It will provide you with some other more topics too that has been searched along with it. Next thing that I want to tell you is that you can also compare it with some other things. So just type in here whatever term that you want to search, or you can compare with the digital marketing career here. So I'm going to go with the digital marketing again. So as you can see, the digital marketing graph has been increasing. It is the term that has been searched a lot of time. Then the digital marketing career. So as you can see, that graph is almost a straight line. Apart from like searching a term or a topic that helps you out with the trending topics here, but I also found this latest stories and insight section here that is very useful in getting the latest updates about a topic here. So as you can see, the coronavirus search trend here provided you with the full details here. So let me just show you how this is working here. So this has been solely given for the coronavirus search trends here. So regarding the coronavirus, you can see the country wise that has been selected, or the country wise whatever the daily insights has been given about the coronavirus or related to coronavirus. So this is what is all going on for the coronavirus daily insights here. Then there you can see that the US interest in top searches topics in 2020. So coronavirus is a huge topic in search interest, of course. So as you can see, not in weather, not in news, not in music, not in sports, but coronavirus. You can see this is the most searched term you can say on Google Trends here. Then coming down, you can see that there are these related topics related to coronavirus here. You can see when can we stop wearing masks, when can we travel again. So these are all the trending topics that you get, or ideas that you can get from these, that what can we make not only on coronavirus but regarding coronavirus or related to it. Then coming on to the world here, what the world is searching related to coronavirus here. When will social distancing end? How long will social distancing last? So all these things are pertaining to coronavirus, but they are not on coronavirus, but they are related to it. And yes, they are important. So this is how you get your how to make your videos right here. So you've made your video on coronavirus. Now what? So now you can make it on when can we stop wearing masks. So that is good. There you go, and so on and so forth. Your channel will go on with the coronavirus information, and it will get searched. That you can see how the coronavirus was searched in the past day here. So this is it, and as you can hover, it will tell you exactly by region how many times it was searched. And further here, there are some more topics here related to the coronavirus here. And coming down again, then you can see the search interest in coronavirus past day right here. So this is not much related to the coronavirus, but yes, they were searched in there. So this has come into the coronavirus trending page here. And going further, this shows how the different symptoms of the virus are being searched. So this is according to the symptoms here. So yes, going on to the coronavirus, what it is, and then going forward, what are the symptoms for it. So the highest thing that was searched was fever here, and so on and so forth. And as you can see, you're also getting the information about COVID-19 here. And then coming further down, we can see the outbreak has caused economic chaos and uncertainty. So you can see there are some topics that are related to coronavirus or that has been affected by coronavirus, and there you can see that they have been searched here. So unemployment, stock market, and these are some of the further queries that are being searched in Google here. And further, we have the testing for coronavirus is being searched across the country, and you can see there are so many topics here that can be gained just by one single word, coronavirus, and this is all you can make it from here. So I hope this video will help you out get trending topics for your channel and let your viewers get the latest updates and news from your channel before any other channel. If you have any other queries, do write to us in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel here.